Are you tired of those online surveys and reviews that pay you peanuts? $5, $10, $15, or if they want to be nice to you, $20. So in this video, I won't be directing you to the website where you can do reviews or surveys. I will share with you my 2-step framework that will help you make real money that can change your life and even that of those around you. So that is more reason you should watch to the end, and please hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss when we drop interesting and helpful videos like this. The first step in the framework is to learn digital skills that pay. Premium, high demand skills that foreign companies are desperately seeking. Digital marketing, graphic design, content writing, social media management, coding, cybersecurity, programming. These aren't just random skills. They are skills that companies in the UK, US, Canada, and Australia will pay you serious money for. And when I say pay, I mean pay well. In fact, let me shock you small. My colleague made over 7 million naira last year from just content writing alone. Let me break it down. Imagine you get a basic content writing gig with a UK company that pays £200 per article, and that's just the minimum. It's on the lower end, and you can get this kind of amount if the person you're working for is stingy. You know, some of these white men, they can be stingy. So if you write just 6 articles in a month or 6 blog posts for them in a month, that is £1,200. Now press calculator and convert that to naira in today's rate. At today's rate, that is let's just say 1,500. That is over 2.4 million. And now the big question is, how can you learn these skills? Well, there are 2 ways. Either you pay for the courses or you get those courses for free. Personally, I love free things. In fact, who doesn't? That is why when you join our community by subscribing to this channel, we share coupon codes that let you access premium courses for free on Udemy. No cap. Some time ago, I took a YouTube optimization course completely free. That is, I didn't pay a dime for the course. Still the same coupon codes I used on Udemy. And see me now. Today, that knowledge I gained from that course has opened doors I never imagined possible. I also want the same for you. The second step in our framework is to build your professional brand. After learning your skill, be it digital marketing, social media management, coding, you need a place to showcase what you can do and attract clients, foreign clients. Now, one of the best places to do this is LinkedIn. And although building on LinkedIn takes time, just do this. Take it from me as someone that has experience on LinkedIn as a platform. So the first thing you will do is to create a professional LinkedIn profile today. That is, immediately after this video, go and do it. Then as you're learning the skills, after collecting the coupon codes and accessing the course for free, start posting what you are learning. Start posting it. For example, if you get a course on content writing, and then let's say you've learned certain things in writing, how to write articles, you can write an article and then post it on LinkedIn. Yeah, that's just one thing. And then connect with people in your field. Connect with content writers. Connect with people that write blog posts. You know, people in the writing niche. Yeah. And then by the time you are done with your course, you already have a small network of people looking for your services. And you also have a network of people that you know. People that regularly see your posts, people that comment on it, people that you've even messaged self. So that even if you don't see clients immediately, you can tell them, say, how far? Help me for referrals. You're working in a company that that's looking for writers, help me, refer me, something like that. On the other hand, it is easier said than done. But don't worry, there's a full video coming up about how to succeed on LinkedIn and land those high-paying gigs. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell as well, so you don't miss the video once it's out. Drop a comment rather if you have any questions, and I'll personally respond. Until next time, keep on grinding.